Hi, my name is Daniel Roas. I'm the Global Sales Director here at Xhoppers. And what does that mean to you? What does that mean for retail? Xhoppers is an in-store communication solution specifically built for retailers. Our goals are simple: be able to connect teams, be able to train faster, and ultimately serve smarter. What makes Xhoppers unique? Well, we got to start with one of the biggest pain points we see in retail: attrition, and ultimately people not having the right information at the right time. The way we're able to solve this is through our smart AI headsets. So I'll give you an example. I have an associate comes in, they're maybe in their first week, and they have to process a return. Well, no problem. What we're able to do is we're able to tap into our AI. The AI then will ask you how we can support you, and then we can ask it the question. So I can say, hey, I need to process a return. How do I do that? And it'll give you all the directions of exactly step-by-step what you need to do to make sure you're doing it right every single time. Let's say you have a problem with the cash register and you're not sure how to fix it, and your manager's not available or not there. Instead of saying, hey, we can't use this cash register for the rest of the shift, we're able to go back to the AI and ask the question, hey, how do I fix the cash register? It has error 321. And then it'll give you a step-by-step process into how to fix it. So anything from a processes, from the handbooks, all the way to product information, the AI gives that access to information easily available to all of your associates.